9-2 homework number 18. A 0.50 kilogram ball that is traveling at 6.0 meters per second collides head-on with a 1.0 kilogram ball moving in the opposite direction at a speed of 12 meters per second. The 0.5 kilogram ball bounces backward at 14 meters per second after the collision. Find the speed of the second ball after the collision. Similar to the previous problem, we have the first ball, mass of 0.5 kilograms, moving to the right at 6 meters per second, directly towards the second ball, mass 1 kilogram, at a velocity of 12 meters per second, moving to the left. They collide. After the collision, we have the first ball still with a mass of 0.5 kilograms, traveling to the left at 14 meters per second, and the second ball with a mass of 1 kilogram with an unknown velocity. Conservation of momentum, as it's gone on so far, has been P1 plus P2 equal to P1 prime plus P2 prime. Like the previous problem, this becomes M1V1 plus M2V2 equal to M1V1 prime plus M2V2 prime. Now, M1 was 0.5 times V1, which was 6. M2 was 1 times V2, which is negative 12. It's negative 12 because it is traveling to the left. M1 was 0.5 and V1 prime is negative 14 for the same reason. It's negative for the same reason as V2. Plus 1 kilogram times V2 prime. V2 prime still there because that is what we are solving for. Solving for this mathematically, 0.5 times 6 is 3. 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. 0.5 times negative 14 is negative 7. We have 1 times V2 prime still. Moving the negative 7 to the other side requires us to add 7 to both sides. So on the left, we now have 3 plus negative 12 plus 7. On the right side, the negative 7 plus 7 cancels out. 3 minus 12 plus 7 gives us negative 2. We then divide by 1 kilogram on both sides, and we have negative 2 divided by 1. Well, negative 2 divided by 1 is simply negative 2. We do require two significant figures, so we add a 0.0 to the negative 2 to make it negative 2.0 meters per second. That is 9-2, number 18.